Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, Twitter. Good morning, YouTube. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 14th of September. We got a whole lot of news coming in today. Gonna go ahead and mark up these charts, see what we can uncover, and see what kind of bias I'm looking like today. We're gonna pretty much start off, top down. Take a look at the monthly just to take a look at it, see where we're at. But then past that, we're going to the monthly, the weekly, daily, 4-hour, 30-minute, and then potentially break it down even further on the 15-minute, and maybe look to take positions on the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute chart. Not really looking too much on the 5-minute or nothing like that. Since it is such a volatile day today, we may be using buy or sell stops. So something I'm going to be considering to do today. And if there's anybody on the stream as of right now, I just want to give apologies to yesterday. Yesterday was a very low energy, completely was irresponsible yesterday, and missed out on a very beautiful opportunity that happened during NYSE. Oh man, hold on. There we go. Alright, let's gonna go ahead and do our little top-down analysis really quick. I'm gonna mark out some key levels and some zones I'm looking forward for breaking or retesting. We'll see.
picking a commerce platform, you have two choices.
Oh, you piece of.
Or, that's the sound of selling on Shopify. Online.
All right, folks, I will be right back. Me use the restroom real quick, and whenever I come back, yeah, we're gonna see how this candle's looking. I'll be right back. Alright, folks, we can obviously volume is now kicking into the markets quite a lot. What I'm doing right now, folks, is I'm trying to figure out my target areas because I'm going to be going ahead and putting down some buy stops and sell stops. One of each to be exact. So I got one sell stop opened up. I'm going to go ahead and get a buy stop opened up as well. Trying to figure out the best spot for it though right now. Miles, Sam, what's going on, guys? What's cracking? We got a sell stop in place as of right now. I'm looking to get a buy stop in place as well. Trying to figure out the best spot for this buy stop though. Kind of liking above this wick. Yeah. We got 2 minutes, guys. It's gonna get crazy here in a second. At least I'm expecting high volume. There's so much news today. I think I'm gonna have my parameters right there. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Now this is gonna be quite wild, guys. Can't lie. Obviously, I have a little bit of not anxiety, but like a lot of anticipation. I guess you can say I'm slightly nervous, for sure. Buy stops and sell stops are definitely going to be quite tricky. You got to make sure you have them in the right spot, and it's a big learning process. So at the end of the day, I'm really not tripping. Worst case scenario in this point, these both get activated and they both hit stop loss, and that'd be a 3% loss. That'd be worst case scenario, and honestly, it's really not that bad of a worst case scenario. So just gonna see how this reacts. We're gonna use these buy stops, the buy stop and sell stop for at least this for the news event that's coming up, for producer price index, unemployment claims, and there's another one too, retail sales. So we got a whole bunch of we should have a lot of volume coming into these markets. So guys, as you guys can see, we got spread picking up quite a bit. Spread is going about 4 pips, almost 5 pips at this point. It's quite nasty. Alright guys, here we go. Now in these cells. Price is coming back up. I got some part of me that wants to close half. Some part of me just wants to hold. Just gonna close half right here. Just getting slightly nervous there. We'll close half. We'll move the stop loss or the take profit down even. Could see us hitting maybe 1919, which I believe that's exactly where my take profit is right here. Further one 1898. Yeah, I'm just not liking how consistent it is with coming down, so I just want to make sure I take half of that profit, and if it starts going against me, it is what it is. We've pretty much managed risk quite well. This is 1898, 88, something like that. Modify that take profit. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that buy stop. Don't want that anymore. The buy stop needs to get taken out. We're going to just delete it. I'm just currently focusing on the sales. Hopefully I got some of you guys are tuning in and kind of getting A little bit of some tips here. Come on, baby, keep melting. This is so lit. This is lit. Just gonna tighten that stop loss right, literally right above that candle. We're touching right now a key level of 1901, so if we can break past that, that'd be pretty awesome. But it's starting to slow down. It's being a little tricky right there with that key level of 1901.41. Next key level 1900, and next key level after that would be 1898. Basically, when I say a key level, I'm basically meaning like a major area of support. That you would usually find price to start rejecting. So that's what I mean when I say that, just so everybody's on the same page. So no one's like, what the fuck is a key level? But yeah, basically for me, a key level is whenever you see like price that is in a very high time frame support and has a very high chance of being rejected. If it breaks key levels though, that always helps the move to keep going in your direction. Obviously, we still could have held full, but personally, I'd rather secure some of the profits, and as well, if we start going in drawdown, at least it's half of what I would have lost already. So we did increase the take profit. The only thing I would ever do with my stop loss, if I move my stop loss, it's to make it smaller. I would never make my stop loss bigger. Making my take profit bigger only happens if I know I have other key levels I would want price to hit. It would be quite exciting for us to hit 1898, even that 1900 level. Damn, spread got me fucked up. That shit's got me way down below. I mean, the spread's not terrible, though. I can't complain that much. Definitely worse spreads out there, but holy, spread was quite high. But I can't, I can't trip on that because the sell stop worked out pretty smooth so far. Still hasn't, we haven't fully hit yet, but it's looking good. Yes, sir. I appreciate it, buddy. Witty Wigs, great seeing you, bro. Man, really great seeing you, bro. Love seeing your charts that you've been posting, bro. Everything like that, bro. I really appreciate that. Good to see you, bro. I almost want to put my stop loss at break even, but I don't want to just cut the trade so short, though. Yeah, bro. No, for sure, man. That sounds good, bro. We'll be seeing each other, bro. Just give me a call whenever, man. We'll be down to chop it up. Uh, but yeah, folks. So right now, with what I'm trying to think about, because obviously now we're not very much in profit right now. We're at like 2 pips profit right now at the moment. Uh, being that it is like this, personally, I think I'm willing to take that slight loss if it did them coming back and retracing and going to that stop loss. I do want to at least keep holding this because there's still quite a bit of volume in the markets. Obviously, we can keep pushing down for the sake of the trade and hitting my P&L. I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it be because I'm only take 1 to 2 trades a day, and I'd rather see this actually do something rather than just closing half like barely in profits. You know what I'm saying? Closing half did make me feel more comfortable with holding this position. Especially when it comes down to like holding it full and letting it, potentially hit that stop loss. If it's my stop loss at this point, it's really not that big of a deal to me because I've already closed half. But it's still one of those things where I still feel confident in this trade that it's still going to keep pushing to the downside. With volume, we should just keep expecting price pushing down. Now, there could be a moment. Obviously, I got to check these higher time frames because it's very important. We were relatively bearish for sure on the higher time frames, but with that being said, how much pips that we moved right now at this daily so far? Only 120 pips. So with only being 120 pips, we still have like we can have 200 pip moves. So there's a pretty big opportunity to make some pretty good money today in the market. So we can honestly break down quite a bit. So I'm actually going to mark out where a 200 pip mark would be, just because this could be that very candle to give us 200 pips. On average, I'd like to say that most daily candles on gold do push about 200 pips. So with that being said, we're going to just take a look, mark that out. So about 200 pips. We'll just be slightly modest with it. So 200 pips technically is right here. Hold on, I just fucked that up. Let me try and just catch the whole move of this. 1894. 15. We could just get the nice spike we won. So yeah, guys, at this point, I'm just gonna be holding, and we're just gonna go pretty much candle by candle by moving that stop loss. If my stop loss actually goes in profit, it would be because prices pushed down so much so that, you know, our previous candles have been closing where they're in profits for me. So that's kind of the idea of how I'm gonna manage this trade. That's kind of the trade management idea here, is to trail that stop loss as each candle prints. So every 30-minute candle, we're just going to go ahead and trail that stop loss. But yeah, folks, so far just pretty smooth so far. We're chilling. I feel like with so much volume in the markets, I'd love for prices to blow through all these little key level areas and just give us that full 200 pip move on the daily candle. That'd be pretty awesome for sure. Pro account, 100%, bro. Pro account. I don't like normal accounts because the spread is just terrible. I'd rather have higher commissions. Because commissions to me really don't matter. Obviously, once I start trading with like a 10 lot, you know what I mean, stuff like that, commissions are gonna be much higher. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna, every trade you're gonna take, commission will be about 25 bucks, something like that. But even then, bro, 25 bucks for a commission, bro, is nothing compared to how much you make on a 10 lot. So my opinion, bro, a pro account is much better, Miles, because pro accounts are gonna allow you to have better spreads. And spread is probably one of the most important things, because even with a pro account, bro, I had this sell stop in place, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it was even higher than this, bro. I mean, it says that I'm marked here on the chart, but I'm not gonna lie, it does not feel like that. Like, the spread kind of got me a little fucked up, but even just a little bit though. It's not even like heavy. And shout out to Dominion Markets for having a pretty good liquidity providers and stuff like that to give us good spread, because I can't fully complain. You know what I'm saying? I activated my sell stop pretty much in the exact spot I wanted to be activated. Can't do nothing about spread, but if I had a normal account, oof, that would be pretty rough. But yeah, definitely I'm using the Dominion Markets Pro account. Yeah, no, for sure, exactly. And I'm a scalper, bro. So being a scalper, definitely want to use, like, have really low spreads. But someone who swing trades, bro, you know, I have no hate whatsoever on normal accounts because if you're a swing trader, bro, like you already know, Miles, like obviously, like they're not looking for a little 10, 25 pips type shit. They're looking for, you know, big plays. You know, so if they're looking for the big plays and trying to make moves with the intraday, or no, excuse me, the with like central banks and stuff like that, you know, obviously they're trying to you know, spreads not too important. But hey, good question though, Miles. That's a good question, bro. Not many people ask that question, so I just want to let you know, hey, very good question. I know we do got probably about maybe 11 minutes left on this candle. I don't want to speak too soon, but it's one of those things where if our candle does close something like this, I can't lie, guys. This can make me feel even more confident. It's going to give me more of my probability of this trade hitting further down and potentially getting that full 200 pip move on the daily candle is going to be actually quite higher because this candle here, this 30-minute candle, literally no wick at the top, just straight bearish momentum. We have a range wick here that obviously tells us that we still want to keep price still wants to keep pushing to the downside. So it'd be pretty important for me to pretty much if we can hold and like even if I go in a little bit of drawdown, that's fine. But you know, obviously we can start coming up at the stop loss, and clearly it's invalid at that point. I mean, obviously, but if we're able to even close, even if I'm in a little bit of drawdown here, I'm sure that's gonna be I'm sure we're gonna be back in profits in no time. Yeah, something like that, man. We're just gonna have to see. We'll be patient. You know, obviously when it starts coming up and drawdown a bit, you know, it makes me a little nervous. Yeah, I mean, like hella, bro. Because I mean, at the end of the day, it's not like if it does hit my stop loss, it's like it's just kind of like a whatever kind of day because I didn't necessarily profit hella or do anything crazy. So, yeah, I mean, it was more of an experience thing if it hits a stop loss right now. But just like you said, with that new 4 hour coming into play, I feel like we can have a really high chance in going ahead and hitting that full TP. But I will say it's definitely tricky. But instead of looking at this daily now, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the lower time frames to see what we're looking like. Ooh, so we got a 15-minute boy coming back up. Now this isn't necessarily unusual though too with high volume news. You know, sometimes high volume news will do this. It is unfortunate for sure. It is unfortunate, but a lot of times high volume news sometimes be going up and down quite a bit. Like you got a huge spike to the downside, and all of a sudden it comes right back up. So, you know, with these 7 minutes left, I'm really hoping that this 15-minute can start pushing back down. Yes, sir, bro. That's what I like to hear. Yeah, this, you know what I'm saying? It's like it's not terrible right now. I can't even celebrate, do anything, feel good about it, the trade yet because we still have a good chance of hitting stop loss for sure. It's still a possibility, but even if it's a possibility, I'm not really even tripping, bro. It's been managed quite well. um, I can't necessarily predict the future exactly when it comes down to the you know how far these candles can push down, but definitely the probability I feel like is relatively on my side for sure. Um, I feel like the more I keep talking about this shit though, it just keeps pushing up against me. So I feel like I need to just shut the hell up. Um, but nah, even then though, that has nothing to do with it. That's just me being superstitious on some stupid shit. Um, Yeah, no, but I don't blame you, bro. I think at the time I blew a lot of accounts. It was like when I was trading with like $100 accounts. I was like putting just like $100 in the markets, and uh, that's like my biggest moment of like I was blowing accounts because it was like to me it was like only $100. So I was like, oh, bro, it's only $100. Like, fuck it. I would over leverage like crazy, dude. I'd have $100 account trading with like a 25 cent. Like, that's ridiculous. Like, there's no way you should be trading with a $100 account using a 25 cent lot. Yes, I've had some dubs on account like that, or with some profitable trades. But overall, like, dude, once I started having like a 3 losing streak with a 25 cent loss, dude, my fucking account went down so fast. Like, I'd be like at $30 before you know it, and I'd be like, God damn. And then of course, obviously I want to learn and keep trading, so I'd just be like, okay, what's another $100? I ended up doing that probably about a cool 10 times, and I was like, you know what? On that 10th time, I was like, bro, I damn near ran through a band, bro. I just need to throw a band in this motherfucker and quit playing. Yeah, dude, for sure. But it's weird, bro. It's real tricky right now. Real tricky, bro. Real tricky, dog. Especially with this 15-minute, boy. That 15-minute looking mean. 15 minutes is not looking like he liking me. He got frowny eyes looking at my stop loss. He ready to smash through that motherfucker, look like. And I can't lie, I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that one bit. But hey, if it is what it is, we gonna see. Obviously, looking back at it, I'm trying to think what could be the better spot to take in this. Obviously, see, I feel like spread got me fucked up because if I gotta look back at my stream, bro, I deposited $100 back then. I brought it back to 148. My confidence went to the sky, bro. Yeah, bro, that's fucking amazing. That's always really good. Um, but yeah, I definitely feel like I want to look back at the stream though because it's like I would like to see exactly how and when it got activated because if I'm being honest, I feel like my entry should be somewhere around here. I feel like my sell stop was somewhere around this area, but with spread it put my entry right here, which sucks because I could have been much more profitable. Not yet, for sure. Most important thing for me here is that this 30-minute is closing relatively soon. In 3 minutes though, but my God, dude, this motherfucker, boy, got me nervous. I don't like this 15-minute, if I'm being honest. Do not like this 15-minute. Yeah, bro, and Miles, I agree with you there, bro. When it comes down to these markets, bro, you gotta be a robot, and it's one of them things to me. It's like that's exact. I'm trying to be a robot with the consistency, like my small trading plan, ideas like things like like just risk managing and trade managing with like the same type of rules implemented and be spot on with it, man. You gotta know. Any type of lateness in the Forex markets, dude, they show no mercy. If you are late, if you're late, you're late, and there's nothing you can do about it. And if price ends up coming back to that entry you want to go to, then at that point, it's like, dude, it's coming back to your entry after it was already in profits. Like, are you sure you're going to want to take that risk? And that's always goes through your head. It's always like, oh, shit, you know what I mean? Like, it's starting to reject. So it's like, it puts a lot on your mind. But that's what's so beautiful about trading is like it's so much. I like it a lot because it's like it has to like you have to make critical decisions on your own specifically with whatever you feel and think. And when you end up completing that trade or that trade ends up hitting your overall take profits or anything like that, man, it feels like $1,000,000 because you're just like, holy hell, like. Obviously you can't fully predict these markets, but with the analysis you put down and stuff like this and the hard work that you put to like understand these markets on how they move, man, it makes you feel like you're fucking like mega mind. You know what I'm saying? You feel like you got a big ass brain. Feel like you're Jimmy Neutron. At least that's how I be feeling. I be feeling like Jimmy Neutron whenever I do something crazy like that. I'm just really hoping this price can start kicking down just a bit though. Because I can't, like, there's literally zero celebration. Like, zero at all. Like, none whatsoever. Like, I'm still just managing this trade. At the end of the day, I could easily take a loss. But what's cool about it, if I take a loss here and it does hit my stop loss, bro, it's like, bro, tomorrow I can make a trade, bro. And that trade, if I literally just hit my 1-to-1 ratio, like, I don't have to hit overall TP or nothing like that. I just literally just have to hit, like, whatever my stop loss is. If I got a 20 pip stop loss and I'm 20 pips in profit, bro, I just got to take profit on that. And then I win more than what I lost today. That is the cool part. And that's like the very beneficial part about me 50%ing halfway. Obviously, you know, if I could tell the future, I would have much rather 50%ed right there at the bottom of this wick. But like shit, you know what I mean? I didn't do that. But for sure, if I had maybe more balls and held it, you know what I'm saying? But good thing is though, we got 14 seconds now. Thank God, I'm feeling a little bit more relaxed because, dude, with the 3 minutes left in that 15-minute candle, seeing it push up like that, dude, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of like, fuck. It felt as if I was celebrating too early, to be honest. That's what it seemed like. I was kind of like, yes, you know what I'm saying? I was like, yeah, I'm feeling good type shit. And I was like, dude, hold on, I need to chill because low-key, I'm still in this motherfucker. I'm trade managing this, and it's just, we got to see. With these key levels in place, though, we could easily start, like, we've already made a big wick. I do love the fact that we got this candle, though. This candle does show a lot of bearish momentum. With the volume in the markets, I expect us to keep pushing down, but I do have to keep in mind that this is a key level here, though. So it could just be rejecting right here off this, and we could just start pushing back up, to create a full-on support. Obviously not what the fuck we want. We do not want nothing like that, but we'll just see. We will just see. For me, probably the nicest thing for me to see right now is seeing that this 15 minutes starts breaking the previous lows of that bullish candle. If we can break those lows right here at this wick, oh yeah, that's gonna make me feel real good. It's gonna make me feel really good. And I can't lie, even though I'm like pretty new to using these buy stops and sell stops, dude, I'm really liking them. Like, it's whenever you got high volatility news, man, it's definitely helpful. Obviously, I took that straight from Raha Banks. He does this and uses it this way, and I wanted to get my experience myself with doing it like that. So shit, there's only one way you can learn, is just by doing it. So yeah. No, Miles, it will, bro, for sure, bro. I mean, we be hopping on this to trade every single day, man. It's a matter of just time and effort, bro. Like, literally, there's nothing different between me and you. There's nothing different between you and Raha Banks, nothing like that, bro. Dude just got a lot of experience. He's got so much experience that dude's able to, his analysis is spot on, And anybody that's successful in trading, they got their rhythm down, And once you get that type of trading plan in place, after that, I don't think nothing can stop you. I think it's one of those things that it's just not getting discouraged. And like I've said multiple and many times on this stream, getting discouraged in the Forex market is very easy, especially when it's dealing with real money and you're losing money. There's nothing more discouraging than that. Like I've said before, dude, like, you can play a video game, bro. You get fucking shot down, you're like came in second place or whatever, like, nigga, who gives a fuck? Like, for real, like, no one, like, bro, like, I mean, unless money's on the line, I guess, you know what I'm saying? Or if you're like a real competitive gamer and like that's like what you do for your life, then that's a different story. But bro, if you just playing with your homies and shit, bro, that's like losing that doesn't matter, bro. But when you lose and you're losing your real money, goddamn. That's no joke. That'll, like, you'll take that loss and start thinking about that shit through your day, like, goddamn. You know what I'm saying? Like, I actually lost some fucking money. Yeah, bro, 100%, bro. Yeah, when it comes down, like, if you're really gonna trade the news, like, during news, like, volume time, like, when that shit opens up, buys and sell sides for sure, bro. I've gotten lucky a few times by, market execution. But that's only because like the previous candle like broke something, like a previous candle like. And there's been times, bro, it literally like a bullish candle broke out of a resistance. I took a buy, bro, and dude, with fucking the high volume news, that shit just shit on my shit, just straight rejected and went straight to my stop loss. And I was like, damn. So that's why like buy stops and sell stops are pretty lit to have. Although I have seen one time though, for sure. One time it was quite a long time ago at this point, like super long time ago. But I seen Raha Banks. His buy stop and sell stop got activated at one time, and I'm not gonna lie, that'd be pretty tough to manage. I'd be like, what the fuck? I feel like that'd be one of those things you just gotta start closing, cause that'd be like, oh shit. So our 4 hours now, ooh, getting kind of weak. Getting pretty weak here. Yeah, no, for sure. And that decent cushion, bro, I'm not gonna lie, was closing half. If I was still holding full, bro, I'd be a little like, ugh, like, oh fuck, type shit. Cause it's like, damn, like I was in profits, now I'm going again, now it's going against me. So I feel like closing half definitely give me a bigger cushion, because it's like, yo, if it keeps pushing down, bro, that's fucking amazing, bro. It's exactly what I want. But if it starts obviously rejecting and pushing back up, well, you know, hey, thank God we closed half, and thank God I got a stop loss. That's all I gotta say. And I know you know this for a fact too, Witty Wicks. Like obviously at this point, like it's one of those things. If it hits stop loss and starts trading above this level, it starts trading above I can't like maybe whatever this price level would be. It's probably like 1907.90 or some shit. What is this? What the fuck is it at? Oh, there. Yeah, 1907.84. If it goes past 1907.84, yeah, obviously it's just like it is what it is. Like it ain't meant to be, you know. But dealing with drawdown though is part of Forex. Like there's so many times I've had trades where I'm dealing with drawdown, damn near about to hit stop loss, and then they go back in profits. I actually had that happen to me earlier this week. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to capitalize as good as I wanted to. The best time I could have capitalized was at, it was like 11 o'clock during like London close. It was 11 a.m. during London close, and we got a lot of volume in the markets, and it pushed up quite a bit, almost like pretty much hit overall take profit, and ended up not actually hitting full take profit, which sucked, but it was what it was. And already here we're getting real close to that stop loss. Be quite interesting to see though if we actually can break it with the previous candle having no wick at the top. Ooh. That'd be pretty lit if that was the little liquidity grab there, and we just keep pushing down, boy. I really hope that's the case right now. We just got a little, the markets took out some people and was like, all right, let's push back down. I'd be spot on. But I feel like part of that person they trying to take out is me right now. So we just gonna see. Now, do we have? I'm pretty sure we even got high volume news tomorrow. But bro, with how much news events we had in general, I'm just kind of. Oh man, you got the Empire State Manufacturing. I doubt there's gonna be a super lot. I mean, we got prelim at 9. I feel like this is gonna be more impactful than the 7:30 news. I don't think 7:30 news is really gonna do much. If like price is like looking super nice, I'd take a position. But like, I don't think I would waste buy stops and sell stops with news like this. News like this one, I've even had a time where I used a buy stop and a sell stop. It was like my first time I did it, bro, and it was like the Friday had like NFP, but the day before that was like CPI and a few other things. Oh, it was unemployment. It was unemployment claims and like CPI. And we had buy stops and sell stops, and I think my buy stop got activated. When my buy stop got activated, bro, it like went like 10 pips profit, bro, and then just was like, it was barely moving. What I'm trying to say, like when it 10 pips profit, bro, then went back to my entry. It was giving me a little bit of drawdown. It was just acting whack, bro. And like at that point, I was like, dude, I gotta close this, bro. If I'm in a buy stop, bro, I'm expecting price to be fucking moving. I'm not expecting price to just be chilling, you know. If it's chilling, bro, what the fuck? Like I need to have market execution and figure it out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, whenever it activated my buy stop and that shit was barely moving, I was like, dude, fuck this. I just closed the trade. It was what it was. And price was just acting real whack. But my God, dude, I'm not gonna lie, bro. If this motherfucker flood back down though, whoo-wee, that's gonna feel like a dub and a half, boy. I'm like this close. Like literally, we like this close from stop loss, so that would be great. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta hit that store, get that pack, yeah. I gotta give me some smoke. Fuck. Yo, seeing price reject like that, seeing that little ass 15-minute bullish candle, bro, just really made me smile. Gave me a mean ass grin. Gave me that Grinch grin. So stupid. I ain't gonna lie though, whenever you be coming to the market, bro, and you at least hit a trade, successful or not, I mean, obviously when you hit a shitty trade, bro, it sucks in some way, but at least you tried something, bro. Yesterday, I felt so bad. My goodness, that shit was terrible. Felt so bad. Holy though, this motherfucker pulling back uppity, quickity. God damn. Yeah, it felt good for that little 5 minutes, but we back. We back. So cushion, the pressure's still on. Pressure is still on. Go is putting it on me right now. It's putting that pressure on. Oof. 17 minutes to this candle closes too. That's so long. It's so long to wait, and we're so close to hitting stop loss, bro. That shit's toxic. But it rejected the area very nicely, though. And it is a key level. It literally tapped it. That was the worry right there. But I'd rather take that risk though, because with high volume news, dude, sometimes it doesn't give a fuck about these key levels and just blows straight through them. So with that, knowing that there is an opportunity that does just blow right through them, dude, I'm taking the opportunity. What's going on with the music? That mug's quiet. one came in dummy loud. So we do got 1 more minute to those 15-minute closes. Clearly, guys, as we're seeing right now, not looking like it's going to be holding too much in my favor so far. New 15-minute opening. Hopefully, with the new 15-minute open, we just obviously we flood down. I mean, definitely don't want to go see it come up, but here we go. We're gonna see what happens here. That would be lit if this little 15-minute resistance can just respect that. That would be amazing. Which so far is doing that, but it's way too early to be like, yes, we're flooding down. Dude, I'm going to feel much more comfortable once it starts going past my entry. As far as right now, it still feels like obviously we're managing the position, but it still feels relatively like a losing position for sure. But it's one of those things where it's a managed loss position, so it's not terrible. And we was able to trade and do something when it comes down to high volume news. So not feeling any type of way towards losing this trade. Really hoping we can respect that 15-minute resistance. Really hoping we can respect this 15-minute resistance. We can push down. I don't even care if I just want a bearish candle to print. Even if I'm still in drawdown, that's fine. I want at least, I would like this position to last for NYSE, New York Stock Exchange volume. I'd really like to see that. I'd really like to stay in this trade until NYSE, but that's up to the Forex gods. You know what I'm saying? We're going to see how this turns out. So far, I'm loving it. It's starting to push down. Price is pushing down, but I really want to see what happens, especially whenever it comes down to NYSE. NYSE is going to be a really big key factor. I feel as if we close bullish or even a weak bullish or anything like that, dude, it's going to have me just thinking, yeah, dude, NYSE is going to be the session to take me out for sure. But I'd at least rather wait, at least be, some part of NYSE volume. There's definitely a lot more volume with NYSE, and I feel like, if we can start going back in profits, dude, we could have that good opportunity to hit that whole 200 pip thing with the daily candle, because I am still looking at that daily candle. And if I'm being honest, candle on the daily, it does relatively have very clean traffic on the daily. We do have a pretty major rejection, obviously, so that's something that obviously I'd want to see this daily candle break past. We broke past once, so that's a good sign. Breaking past this is super important, but past that, I feel as if we should just keep pushing down. But obviously, we got lower time frames. Lower time frames do make up the higher time frames. So with that being said, on lower time frames, there is a lot of price consolidation around this area. So I can't just fully expect that may be the case and we're just going to hit that. But definitely is going to be holding and chilling, guys. Well, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna get myself. I'm gonna hop out the office real quick. Hold on. I'm gonna hop out the office real quick. Maybe get a little bit of breakfast, do a little something like that. Kind of get it relatively started. I'm gonna be coming back here, obviously, before NYSC. I want to see what's going on. I mean, obviously, in this 10-minute, 9-minute time that I'll be gone, it'd be exactly about 8 minutes I'll be gone. But in this 8 minutes I'm gone, we could have stop loss. Obviously, that'd be shitty. But in this 8 minutes, though, we could still stay in this position. Hopefully, we do close 15-minute bearish. NYSE volume keeps pushing us further down in profits, and we're able to ultimately win the trade. So that's kind of the idea. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Miles, I'm gonna be right back, bro, for real. So I mean, if you guys want to hop off and do your guys' thing, 100%, bro. I feel you on that. No worries on that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of chill back, kind of just get my eyes off the markets. I'm in a good position right now where if it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss. Like, it is what it is. But if we can, though, I'm really hoping we stay in this because I want to. Obviously, I would like to react, give comments down, especially if we keep pushing down in profits. Yeah, bro, that'd be lit, bro. I appreciate you. Yeah, give him a call, bro. Tell James Powell, tell all the central bank leaders, man. Tell them like, hey, bro, push price down on gold. That'd be lit. Shout out to my boy Miles. He better really help me out. He better make an executive call. But yeah, bro, y'all just do what you guys want to do. If you guys want to hop off for the rest of the stream, that's cool. But definitely, I'm gonna be back here to give more comments down during NYSC. But I'm gonna just kind of kick back, do a little bit, go upstairs, see what's cracking. But yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Hey, I just want to give a quick shout out to Miles for going ahead and just calling the central banks and telling them to start pushing price down. Definitely helped out. Shout out to you, Miles. We got less than a minute for this candle. Feeling pretty good about it. Obviously, could be a little bit of play with this, but hey, we are able to move that stop loss a little tighter. I'm gonna actually do it at the body of this candle, cause alright, nah, I'll just do it to the wick of this. So I was able to less the risk a little bit, slightly a little bit more. Um, like I said, guys, I'm just gonna be trailing the stop on this one. I'm not gonna move stop loss break even so quickly on this trade. Really trying to catch this full move. Only thing that does have me a little bit worried about, I mean, yeah, the 15-minute did close in profits, thank God, but don't really like how there's not so much of a wick on that candle. So with not a big wick on the end of that candle there makes me slightly nervous. Hey, hey, you know I got you, bro. I'm gonna have to get you a steak and lobster. But yeah, so we'll see. This is now NYSE, so hopefully NYSE can give us that good volume to push to the downside. When I say good volume, I mean just the volume that pushes in my direction. Obviously, volume either way is good to have, but I definitely don't want it to react off of support again, because that could be a possibility, so we will see. Oh my goodness. Yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna go ahead though. This will probably be the last 30-minute candle I watch. Past that, I'll just let the position run, and then I'll give you guys an update for sure tomorrow on that stream. When we're gonna have, forgot what the news was, the Empire State Manufacturing, and then we also have prelim. That's what it is, the University of Michigan. So yeah, this would be like the last 30-minute candle I'm gonna watch, just because I'm really hoping at this point, especially with this being NYSE with this 30-minute candle, we can push further in profits to make my stop loss go into profits. Bro, hey Miles, I'm glad you had that contact saving your phone too, bro. I just told you, I said, hey, shout out to Miles for calling the central banks. That's funny as hell. Literally so close to hitting that stop loss too. I did tighten it. I did tighten the stop loss though, just in case nobody's seen that. Tighten that stop loss. I got it now to the 15-minute. As I said before, I'm just trying to trail the stop loss. So yeah, we are going a little bit back into drawdown, but I don't know, man. I don't know. With how much it rejected on that 15-minute candle, it's got me feeling pretty confident that I don't see price going back up there again. I really don't. I just feel like I can see it just keep pushing down at this point. Especially with that 4-hour and the daily candle, I just feel like it should just keep pushing down. Like for this, it's just like a little liquidity grab, so I'm really not tripping. I'm trying to feel like my boy DA my boy DA Forex, bro. My boy Daniel. I'm trying to go. Ooh, ooh. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but hey, he's a legend, bro. He's a great trader. Hey, that man, he be cold with it, but I'm trying to have one of those moments, man. I'm trying to see price come down. I go, ooh, ooh. I'm trying to feel like that, but right now, ooh, it's been wishy-washy. But I'm telling you, I'm getting gray hairs from managing this position. I'm getting gray hairs managing this motherfucking position. Holy. Man, I can't lie. We make a 30-minute support. I'm finna be sad. Oof, unfortunately, bro, it's not looking so hot for me so far. This 30-minute boy is coming back up, come back up for some vengeance. But it's potentially NYSE right there, man. We have no wick at the bottom of this candle. That is a huge problem. We have a giant liquidity wick, but no range wick. Not good. Not good at all. But if we read back the lows, I'm going to enter a small risk sell and stop loss on the highs of the current 30-minute. Yeah, it's not bad, bro, for sure, but may not be a bad idea, especially with how many levels, like 1904 is being rejected, 1905 is being rejected. This could actually hold to be a quite nice support, and may want to keep continuing back up. Obviously, I'm hoping this doesn't happen that way, but I have to look at things realistically, and so far I'm seeing a pretty fucking fat, huge bullish momentum candle that's looking pretty menacing towards that stop loss. Can't even lie, it's making me work for it, boy. It's really making me work for this. This 15-minute price action is just absolutely disgusting. It's gotta be the worst, the worst looking price action you can see right here. It's just printing like a barcode. My goodness, this 4 hour is weak, boys. 4 hours weak. We got 15 minutes. I would like to see how this candle closes and we open up another one. Not another position, but I'd like to see how the next 4 hour will open. All right, folks. So as we can see here, 4 hour is starting to print bullish. 30 minutes starting to wreck me, and shit, man, it's been rough. Yeah, bro, this shit crazy as hell, bro. We got 3 minutes, man. What the, bro? This shit has been wishy-washy as hell, bro. Miles, I can't lie to you, bro. Shout out to closing half, because if I didn't close half, bro, I've been stressing with my stop loss getting that close, bro. But even if I was like stressing, I'm just stressing because I know it'd be a 1.5% loss, and I'd be like, damn, dog, like I just keep losing, bro. My consistency's fucked up. But having that, being able to manage risk, you know what I'm saying? Managing that risk and stuff like that, closing half, it definitely helped out. But bro, that 4 hour that's about to close in 3 minutes, that's super key right now. Like looking at that makes me smile, like for sure. Also weak. He say he's smiling again. Nah, bro. You know what I'm saying? We chilling, bro. Yeah. I mean, of course, yeah. You gonna be smiling when you coming back in profits, though. I can't lie, for sure, bro. But nah, man, for sure, bro. I appreciate you guys tuning in, bro. It's been great having you guys around. Loving all the feedback you guys give, and I like how everybody that I got that do be commenting down, that you guys have experience trading. You know what I'm saying? You guys aren't like silly to it or anything like that. You guys know what it feels like. You guys have that same, you know what I mean? You guys have that same type of understanding when it's like, fuck, like when you're losing a trade, like y'all understand like that psychological kind of like not stress, but just like something like that. Like it's something like that. Not psychological stress, but it's like that anxiety. Like you got to make decisions critically and like quick. So it's like, yeah. So we just gonna see, man. It's cool. It's cool. It feels good that it's going back in profits for sure. With how wishy-washy it's been, a big part of me is like, dude, do I close half again? But I'm just like, nah, bro. I've been holding it for so long, bro. At this point, might as well just like keep holding it. Part of me wanted to close half because obviously if we start going back at the stop loss, it's even more managed. But the thing is, bro, hitting that take profit though would be just nice as hell. And I don't really feel like closing. I'd like to see this daily hit that 200 pips. That daily hitting that 200 pips is gonna be pretty lit. It's got some time. It's got some distance on him if he's trying to hit that though. $18.98.90. Let me put that down. $18.98.90. 18.98. Right there. Yeah, nah, I ain't closing, bro. I'm just gonna hold it, bro. You know what I'm saying? I feel confident in the trade. I've been confident in this trade for sure. That's why I'm doing it. But it's definitely like, yeah, it's kind of like kind of goes through your head, you know. But we do got, this 4 hours coming in pretty much right about now, dude. We got 28 seconds, bro. Feeling pretty good about it. Obviously, new 4 hour can start giving us like some pushes to the top, to the upside, because we got to make a wick. We got to make a liquidity wick, which is no problem. We've been making liquidity wicks damn near all fucking morning, about to hit my stop loss. So at this point, another liquidity wick for the 4 hour. Hopefully that 4 hour liquidity wick isn't big enough to fucking kill me and take me out the markets. 30 minutes still closed with a weak bullish candle. So at this point, it has created support. Hey, I just want to say thank you for streaming. It's like having a homie by your side for crazy dreams to come true. Hey, bro, I appreciate you saying that, bro. 100%, man. Yeah, man, I'm just trying to be like that, just trying to, man, I'm no different from nobody else, bro. And like, just the more and more we keep making this come along, bro, it's like, I'm trying to give that like, that relatableness in regards to trading the Forex markets. And I like being transparent. I like having everything on here. Obviously, the profits obviously are not fucking crazy, bro. I'm not fucking hitting like $10,000 trades in a day and shit like that. That is the goal. That is the idea. But that just comes with time and patience. And for me, I just getting that consistency down and getting everything like that all together coming to these charts every single day, bro, and having people like you, bro. I just want to tell you, thank you, bro, for tuning into my stream and stuff like that. It feels really good to have that audience that feels like I'm not just doing it like it's just dead, like no one's watching, nothing's doing nothing like that. And even if there is nobody watching, bro, it's never been something that does like affect me, bro, because I know at the end of the day, like when you start hitting $10,000 trades, $5,000 trades, and shit like that, I mean, obviously people are gonna want to tune in, people are gonna want to watch you. But what means the most to me is seeing people like that are in my Discord early, people that are in my Discord channel that are like, posting their charts, posting what they got going on. Everybody like that, Miles, Witty Wicks, my boy Space Joe, I haven't seen him in a little bit, but he be tapping in. My boy Golden, Witty Wicks, Paulito Way. Like, man, they've been tapping in with my shit here and there, bro, quite a bit, bro. It's one of those things where if I ever come out with a Zoom service, bro, where I have people pay me $20 a week because I'm so consistent and I hit trades all the time, you'll be able to make that 20 bucks back in that week really quickly. If I ever have any services like that, I'm definitely going to be giving out free services for people that have been rocking with me for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be charging people, you know what I'm saying, that I know eventually is going to be like, they're going to have bandwagon, bro. Eventually once, I hit fucking $5,000 trades every day, everybody's going to want to tune in and see what I'm doing to make a trade. So it's like, those people can, obviously give me that payment, but to people that have been rocking with me since the beginning, bro, since I'm not doing shit really, just trying to be here just to show that consistency and give what a trader should be doing, it means a lot for you guys coming through, bro. So Miles, I just want to say, bro, thanks for that comment, bro. It makes me feel good, bro. That's the type of impression I'm trying to get across here. I feel like anytime you see somebody going live trading Forex, bro, more power to them too. I mean, I'm happy they're doing their thing, but either they got like a prop firm or they got like a what's it called, a funded account, or they're already doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? They either got a funded account or they're doing their thing and they're making a lot of money. That's lit, like 100%. I have no hate towards that, bro. And more power to people that are like, you know what I'm saying, doing their thing with the whole what is that called? I keep forgetting it. Oh yeah, the funded accounts. Cause you gotta pass those challenges, bro. You know what I mean? It puts those parameters on you, bro. And if you pass those challenges, bro, I feel like that's just lit. Like, I have no hate towards none of that. I think it's better. I'm trying to show like what a blue collar worker can do. You know what I'm saying? If you just a blue collar worker kind of guy, if you a blue collar worker, bro, you doing electrician, you a plumber, bro, you carpenter, a roofer, anybody like that, bro. I mean, you do make pay, like you can make money. But the thing is, bro, like, can we invest that money into something that can make us more money? That's kind of my idea. Like, I'm trying to show like what a regular blue collar worker guy can do, because I'm just a butcher at the end of the day. I cut meat. You know what I'm saying? I make some good steaks for everybody and shit. You feel me? And thankfully that job is giving me the opportunity to put money into these markets. If I didn't have my job, I probably wouldn't have the $1,300 in my account. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, that's been able to fund my investment, or not my investment. It's been able to fund my it's basically like going to college for me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shit. At the end of the day, like, it's basically like going to college, bro. You put a lot of bread up for college. A lot of kids go to college, put a lot of bread up for it, which is amazing, bro, because they're gonna be able to chase their dreams, do their thing. This is something I just have interest with. So since I have an interest with it, bro, I'm like, fuck it, bro. I just started thinking in my head, bro, if kids put like, like 100K down for like like when they go to big ass university and stuff like that, it's a lot of money. So it's like, bro, I could do the same thing, bro, but you know what I'm saying, see the exact results instantly, bro. Like, when I'm doing well, I'm gonna see instantly, bro. Like, yes, I'm making profits, or if I'm fucking up, yes, I'm losing, and I'm losing money. So it's just a matter of just keeping studying, bro. Keep increasing the knowledge, bro. Keep applying it, bro. I mean, you can learn all you want, but if you don't actually make a trade, bro, it's really hard to, it's really hard to be, what's it called? It's hard to become, fucking legit with it. But days are coming, bro. Days are coming. 5K days, 10K days, all coming, bro. No, 100%. I feel that, bro. I mean, there's no hope, bro. It's more of things like, I will make this happen, and it's one of those things that when I make this happen, it's gonna be. I just want to give a big blessing to all the people who've been rocking me in the beginning, for sure. You know what I'm saying? Any type of course I come out with, bro, I'm just handing that shit out, bro. Making that happen, and any new people and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? it all comes in time. You know what I'm saying? All comes in time. But until then, bro, I'm not even gonna talk about that shit because what matters is what's going on now, and just keeping this going, because we keep this going, we're only gonna build a bigger and bigger community, bro. And I'm just trying to provide a lot of value for people right now, bro. I'm not trying to be on no, man, I got a course, bro. I got this, I got that, I got that. Nah, I ain't trying to do no payments, bro, because I want my focus to be, nigga, bro, I make money off of the motherfucking markets, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't need nobody else's cash, bro. I don't need no, you know what I'm saying? I just want to focus dedicated on me, what I can make happen. Once I start seeing that, it's like, you know, I got, you know, 10, 20 people in my chat being like, hey, bro, you're going to take a buy, you're going to take a sell. Those are the people that need to get charged, because it's like, bro, these guys are at this point just coming in to pretty much use me, bro, as like a, oh, if this dude enters, I'm gonna enter, without necessarily having a an analysis themselves. The biggest thing here is like anybody that's in my Discord, I want everybody to post their charts anytime they make a trade, post their charts, bro, because if I become successful, when I become successful, I don't want it to be like I'm leaving people behind that I've been rocking with in the beginning. Like, I want everybody to be excelling with me too, and understanding that, bro, like, just don't look at the money right now. Risk 1.5% each trade. You know what I'm saying? The most, do 3% in one day. You know, eventually that money's gonna come, bro. When you got that consistency, bro, and you hit like five positive trades out the week, each week, bro, consistently, bro. At that point, you start thinking, bro, at this point, it's time for me to start dumping money in this account and making these profits. So it's like, yeah. So yeah, bro, but it's super good, man. Super good. But yeah, I would like to stay on the stream longer, bro, but it is 9:07. I said I was gonna be on here till about 9 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna let this position, not even I think, I'm just gonna let this position run. Definitely gonna give you guys updates. Really hoping I can get my stop loss in profit here. Hopefully at 9:30 we can make that happen. Stop loss can go in profit. I mean, it'd be barely, but at least it's break even, so that would be lit. But yeah, if we can get a candle close below this and just keep pushing down, man, that'd be lit. Like I said, the base analysis of how I can understand there's going to be a potential. I can't say it's going to fully happen, but I like this target 1894. Reason being the 1894 level. Let me make sure it's in the right spot. What the fuck? 1894.15. Oh yeah, I guess it is. Let me just cancel that. Yeah, so that's in the right spot. I seen 1894 up here. I was like, damn. But yeah, this is a 200 pip move. Relatively, it's actually a little bit above. But you know, a lot of times we can see candles moving about 200 pips on gold on the daily candle. I would say about on average. You measure out these candles, a lot of times you're gonna find that they're gonna be like 200 pips. This one's almost 200 pips. That's 180 pips. So previous candle before that, not so much, obviously about 100 pips. But if that's 100 pips, bro, there's gonna be especially with this previous one, 170. So there's a point where we should be hitting a 200 pip a 200 pip daily candle. So yeah, I feel like I'm just gonna hold a good take profit zone. Obviously would be about 1898. I may close half, you know what I'm saying, at 1898, just to secure some more profits, because it is still relatively a far-fetched idea that, you know, 1894 will hit. That 1894, the overall take profit is based on gold hitting close to about 200 pips for the daily candle. That's kind of how I can kind of gauge that overall take profit. But the most realistic, the most I'd say more guaranteed take profit is definitely 1898.90. This price level here, I'm pretty sure will be hitting within the next couple hours. That's when I need to start deciding whether I need to start closing a bit, because at that point, once we hit down here, we may actually for real start rejecting. But if we're able to close below, you know, at this point, bro, if we're able to close like this candle ends up closing in the next 30 minutes, bro, just like it is, Stop losses at break even, bro. And at that point, man, I just don't even think I want to touch it. I'm just gonna just forget about it, bro. I have work at 11 o'clock today as a butcher. So at that point, bro, I'm just gonna let it run. You know what I mean? Just let it run. Just let it do its thing and see how it goes, man. You know, I would love for it to obviously push and hit that overall take profit, but we'll just have to see how it goes, Miles. But my boy Miles, my boy Sam Wiki, my boy Witty Wicks. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, bro. Really means a lot to me. Like, it really does mean a whole lot to me to see you guys coming in and tuning into the stream, throwing down comments and all types of shit, bro. I love that stuff. Makes me feel super good. And yeah, folks. I mean, we're breaking this previous low here. Definitely liking that. Um, you know, God bless. Assalamu alaikum. You know what I'm saying? We just keep it moving. Hopefully, I had more languages. I was trying to think of other shit, but I was like, you know what? That's about it. But yeah, folks, shit. I'm gonna be hopping off here though. I got some things I gotta take care of and stuff like that. Though we're just gonna let this position run. I will update you guys through the Discord, and yeah, obviously I'm gonna update you guys whenever I come on to the stream tomorrow, so you guys can for real see what's cracking. But yeah, folks, thank y'all so much, man. I really appreciate it, bro. 5K days coming soon. I'm just playing. Nah, it'll come eventually. I can't say it's gonna come real soon, but it's gonna come, bro. But hey, y'all take it easy though, man, and God bless everybody. Take it easy. I'll see y'all tomorrow. We got prelim, and we got. I'm not really tripping about this, honestly, guys. The Empire State Manufacturing Index, bro. I don't give a fuck about it, to be honest. But the 9 o'clock news at prelim, the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment, that's something I do care about, and something I'm looking to trade. So. Still going to be on the stream about 7 o'clock Central Time. And we'll make it happen, bro. Thanks, dog. Let's all keep dreaming big, man. We only got one life to live, man. So let's all remember that. Walaikum salam. Hey, fuck yeah. Hey. Hey, if that's your language, bro, hey, thank God I hit it on the head. So, yeah, lit, bro. Hey, y'all take it easy, bro. Walaikum salam. I probably said that terrible as fuck, but I tried my best. But yeah, bro. God bless, man. Take it easy, y'all. Peace out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.